Very good morning to all students. Kindness make you the most beautiful person in the world. Kindness make you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. No matter what you look like. Student, through this thought, we can understand that kindness is the best quality in human beings. Our outer beauty is not important, but our inner beauty is more important. And as a human beings, we have to always show kind attitude towards other all human beings as well as with animals also. So it's a very good thought. Keep in your mind that kindness is one of the best quality in human beings and we have to always show our kind attitude with all. Hello students, how are you? I hope you all of you happy and healthy at your home. Now in this video student, I will discuss our chapter number 6. The title of this chapter is Dasu's Secret Box. This chapter students I have divided in 3 parts. This is first part of lesson 6. Okay. Now student, before starting this lesson, I would like to ask one or two questions concerning with this title. Okay students, now you all are studying in school, right? So my question is that, are you doing masti with your friends? My question is that, are you doing masti with your friends? Just now I can't listen your answer, but I surely know that you all are doing masti with your friends during recess time in our school campus, right? Okay. Now, one more question that I want to ask. What you are doing in the month of April? Okay. What you are doing in the month of April? Okay. Means just now I can't listen what you are thinking about these questions, but on behalf of you I am giving just now answer that mostly we all are waiting for the month of April, and you know that April month is a famous for cheating others. April Fool Banaya. No, we are doing this type of masti in the school with our friends. Now here in this lesson is given in the form of play. Different characters are there in this play. Here one student, means one of the friend, is making masti with all his friends in the month of April and try to cheat all his friends. So it's a very interesting play. Students, all of you give proper concentration in video. Now first of all see the warm up activity. In 1957, a British news show reported that a family in Switzerland was growing noodles on a tree. Now, in 1957, British news show one report, and in that report, in Switzerland, in that report, British news show that one family was growing noodles on a tree. Actually, this news is a totally fake news. Now look at here. Many viewers called up the news channel to know how they could grow it too. Now many viewers asked a question to that news channel that which way that family could grow it. You see, at that time, not many people knew that noodles are made with flour and water. In that time, students, many people not knew that noodles are made from flour and water and do not grow on trees. Actually, noodles do not grow on trees, but it made from flour and water. So that was a totally fake news. How do you think the viewers felt when they realized the truth? So what you are thinking about this point, that when the viewers realized that that news was already fake news and the truth is different. How they how they felt in their mind. Sometimes it happens, students, in our day-to-day life. Many rumors came, many fake news came, many fake video came. We are observing and we are thinking about that, and then after we realize that the truth is a different. We realize that truth is different, reality is different. That time, how is our reaction? That you have to think in your mind, because our present play is concerning with this theme. Look at here, students. It's a very interesting play. But before starting this lesson, first of all, we have to concentrate on word meanings. So whatever part I have taken from that, whatever difficult words are there, that only I have taken in this part. First word, belongings. Things that someone owns. Means अपनी मालिकी का कोई भी चीज़ है, मीन्स उसके ऊपर हमारा ही पोजेशन है, उसको हम बिलोंगिंग्स बोलते हैं. पेन नाइफ, अ स्मॉल फोल्डिंग नाइफ दैट यू कैन कैरी in your pocket. Okay, so pen knife means a small folding knife that you can easily carry in your pocket. Sometimes we are using for cutting fruits also. Okay, now pears, pears, to look at something quickly and secretly. जब हम कोई भी चीज़ को बहुत झड़प से और सीक्रेटली रहस्यमय रीते हम देखते हैं, तब उसको हम ये वर्ड से हम उसको मेंशन कर सकते हैं. PEERS, peers, to look at something quickly and secretly. Clamps it shut. The meaning of this word is shuts the bow tightly. Next, meddle. MEDDLE means touch or handle. Here the box without a permission. Touch or handle anything. Here we are talking about box, that's why into bracket box is written without permission. Number 6, misplace, loss or be unable to find. Sometimes we are using this word in our daily routine, that I have misplaced my textbook, I have misplaced my notebook, means I'm not able to find out. Then next, money lending, to allow someone to borrow money for a short period. The meaning of this word is borrow money for a short period. Okay, so these are the words, students. 1 to 7 words you have to write in your fair notebook, and same time you have to learn also. Now look at here, students, our lesson. Now first of all, characters are given. Okay, there are many characters in this play. All different friends and names are there. Okay, students, those who are studying in school. So which are that characters names? First we look at that. Dasu, teacher. Prakash, Gopal, Zoru, Bishu, Nabeen and Tapan. All these are the names of the boys, and one teacher is there in this play. A classroom with a teacher and student. Here the first scene we can see that one classroom is there and many students are there in that classroom, and one teacher was also there. Dasu stands at the door as if asking for permission to enter the classroom. Dasu was standing at the door of the class and asking permission of the teacher that for entering the classroom. He walks into the class carrying a strange looking box under his arm. He entered in the class carrying a strange looking box, one strange looking box under his arms. There was a one strange looking box in his arms. He goes to his desk and places the box very carefully under the table. He goes to his desk and places that box very carefully under the table. He seems very anxious about the box. He was worried about that box. Teacher says, "What are you carrying in that box, Dasu?" Now teacher was asking question. "What are you carrying in that box, Dasu?" Dasu says politely, "My belongings, sir." Now when the teacher was asking question, Dasu politely give answer, "My belongings, sir," means my things are there in the box. Prakash and Gopal whisper to each other. Yeah, whisper means speak very slowly in each other's ear. Who? Prakash and Gopal. Now look at here. Gopal says, "What's crazy Dasu up to?" Gopal says, "What crazy Dasu up to?" Now this Dasu was very crazy about his box. What does he mean by belongings? What is the meaning of this type of word? Belongings means my things. What is belongings? What are the things he had put into the box? And why he had given this type of answer to the teacher? Prakash says, "I don't know. He has all his usual things with him. Look." Now Prakash says, "I don't know which things he had put into the box. He has all his usual things with him." उसके पास सब अपनी चीजें रहती है. Look, Dasu arranged a few notebooks, textbook, pencils, and even a pen knife on the table. Now Dasu was busy in arranging all his things like notebook, textbook, pencil, and even pen knife on the table. Gopal says to Dasu, "Dasu, what's in that box?" Here Dasu didn't reveal that what is there in the box. He had given a doubtful answer to the teacher. That's why all the students were thinking in their mind that what is that in that? Means the curiosity generate in their mind in order to know. Sometimes in our class also sometimes some students came with a different type of lunch box or a different type of school bag and taking too much care about that and told that I have many precious thing in my bag. Then our curiosity develop in order to know what is there in this bag. So here the same situation is there. "Go on, tell me. I promise not to tell anyone." Now Gopal told that, "Which things are there in this box? Tell me. I will not tell anyone. I promise you." तुम मुझे बता दो कि ये बॉक्स में तुमने क्या रखा है. मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. मैं तुम्हें ये प्रॉमिस देता हूँ. Now look at here, students. Dasu does not answer the question, but Dasu does not give any answer of that question. He pretends to open a book and look at it. Now Dasu pretends means doing false behavior and open a book and like a studious try to look into that book and started his reading. After a while, Dasu slowly takes out a key from his pocket, bends down and carefully unlocks the box below his desk. He lifts the cover a little and peers into it. Now, after some time, Dasu slowly takes out one small key from his pocket and bend down and carefully unlock the box. And below his desk, he lifts the cover a little and peers into it. Now, so looks at something very carefully. Sometimes any precious things we take in school and which way we are taking care about that thing. Same way here, Dasu becomes very conscious about that box and taking too much care about that box. Now other students all were thinking what was that in that box. समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स दैट कोई भी हमारे क्लास में कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ लेके आते हैं और बताते नहीं है कि वो उसमें क्या है, सपोज है स्कूल बैग है या कुछ भी ऐसी चीज़ है, और बार बार वो चीज़ को वो देखते रहता है, उसकी केयर करता है, बट किसी को बताता नहीं है कि ये बॉक्स में क्या है। तो एज ए फ्रेंड्स कौन सी फीलिंग्स हमारे माइंड में डेवलप होती है कि इसमें क्या है, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है कि ये इतना उसका ध्यान रख रहा है, किसी को बता नहीं रहा है। तो लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस क्रिएटेड इन आवर माइंड। द सेम सिचुएशन इन द classroom, and all his friends were thinking that what was there in the box. Okay, now see what happened. Dasu says softly to himself, okay, okay, that's okay. Now he was softly himself saying, okay, okay, that's okay. He nods his head in a serious way. Hmm? He nods his head in a serious way. Gopal tries to peep into the box, but Dasu clamps it shut. Now Gopal may be sitting nearby him, so he was trying to look into that box, but suddenly Dasu clamps it shut. Suddenly Dasu shut the box tightly. So Gopal was very curious to know that which things Dasu put into the box, but Dasu don't give chance to Gopal to see into the box, or don't reply properly also. Dasu says warning, be careful, don't meddle with my box. Don't touch my box. Who told? Dasu told. Be careful, don't touch my box without my permission. I don't want to misplace it. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिसप्लेस इट, ये मुझे खोना नहीं है, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मिसप्लेस इट, सो डोंट टच विदाउट माई परमिशन टू माई बॉक्स. Who said? Dasu. Gopal turns to the others, roll his eyes and frowns. Now Gopal look at other old friends and roll his eyes and becomes angry. The boys begin whispering again. Again all the friends were whispering in each other's ears and talking about that box. Zoro says, I'm sure it is his tiffin box. Now all others predict about that box. Someone says that these things are there, and someone says, no, no, these things are that. No, they all are doing predictions. I'm sure it's his tiffin box. Zoro says that maybe in that box his tiffin box is there. Maybe he has brought something special for lunch that he doesn't want to share. Sometimes it happens that if we take a favorite our food in the lunch box, then also we are not telling to others because we don't want to share with others. So here one of his friend think in his mind maybe that he brought something special for lunch and he doesn't want to share. Bissu says, no, no, no. He is always secretive about his pocket money. Maybe he is hiding a lot of money. Now, another friend predict that no, no, tiffin box is not there, but he was very secretive about his pocket money and maybe he is hiding lot of money in this box. Nabin says jokingly, a box full of money? Is he going to open a money lending business? Then Nabin making slight joke about that a reply of Bisu, and he told, a box full of money? ये बॉक्स में क्या बहुत सारे पैसे हैं? इज ही गोइंग टू ओपन ए मनी लेंडिंग बिजनेस? क्या वो मनी लेंडिंग का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने जा रहा है? Laughs. I don't think so, Bisu. It must be something else. Now Nabin told. He was giving his own opinion. No, no, Bisu. It's not a true matter that his box is full of money. It must be something else. इसमें कुछ दूसरी चीज होगी, इसमें मनी नहीं है. Teacher says loudly, stop talking. Boys, pay attention. Now teacher very loudly spoke, stop talking students. pay attention in the study. Okay students, now this much I have discussed this part. I hope you all of you understood what I have discussed. Now one question that I want to ask you just now. I hope you all are ready. Okay. Now very simple questions that I want to ask you. Okay. Give me the name of different characters in this play. Give me the names of different characters in this play. Okay. Just now I am giving answer. Dasu, teacher, Prakash, Gopal, Zuru, Bishu, Nabeen and Tapan. These are the characters in this play. Okay. Now one more questions that I want to ask. Okay. The title is given, you have read properly, Dasu's secret box. Okay, here all the different friends giving their own opinions. Some are telling that money is there in the box, some are telling that his favorite lunch is there in the box. Okay, according to you, think student on this point, and according to you, what do you think that what is there in the box of Dasu? So just now I'm not giving answer of this question. You have to think in your mind. Okay, use your own imagination, use your own opinion, your prediction. Like this, all friends, you can also think in your mind that which thing he had put into that box. And keep in your mind that, as I told previously, that many times we are doing masti with our friends. So all these points you have to keep in your mind, and you have to think properly that which thing will be there in the Dasu's secret box. Okay, now student, we are going further. Your textbook question. Okay, first question concerning to this part. See that which question is there. What did the students think was inside Dasu's strange looking box? I repeat once again student this question. What did the students think was inside Dasu's strange looking box? सभी डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स क्या सोचते थे कि दासू के स्ट्रेंज लुकिंग बॉक्स में क्या है, बॉक्स के अंदर क्या है, सब क्या सोच रहे थे. नाउ लुक एट हियर आंसर. The students thought that the strange looking box was Dasu's tiffin box. एक स्टूडेंट ने ऐसा बताया कि उसमें टिफिन बॉक्स होगा, और दैट ही वॉज कैरिंग हिज पॉकेट मनी इन इट. दूसरे ने बताया कि मे बी his pocket money in that box. Okay, I repeat once again student answer. The students thought that the strange looking box was Dasu's tiffin box, or that he was carrying his pocket money in it. Now look at question number 2. Did Dasu behave strangely with his box? What did he do? I repeat once again this question. Did Dasu behave strangely with his box? What did he do? How was his behave with his box? It's a strange or normal behave that you have to write in the answer of this question. What did he do? उसने अपने बॉक्स के साथ क्या किया? How was his behave in the classroom concerning to this box? Look at here answer. Yes, Dasu behaved strangely with his box. His behavior was not normal. but his behavior was quite strange with his box. To begin with, he placed it very carefully under the table. टू बिगिन विथ ही प्लेस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसने क्या किया, जब भी वो क्लास में एंटर हुआ तब उसने बहुत केयरफुली टेबल के नीचे इसको अच्छी तरह से रखा. देन ही अनलॉक्ड इट विथ अ की, और उसने उसको ताला भी लगाया था. सो ही अनलॉक्ड इट विथ अ की, लिफ्टेड द कवर अ लिटल एंड पीप्ड इनसाइड. उसका कवर उसने ओपन किया बॉक्स का, और क्या किया, peeped inside, looked into that box, all very secretively, all very secretively, बहुत ही secretive वे से उसने उस कवर था वो ओपन किया और उसके अंदर झाँका. He also warned others not to meddle with the box, and उसने सभी को वार्निंग भी दी. क्या दी? डोंट टच माई बॉक्स विदाउट माई परमिशन. मेरी परमिशन के बिना किसी को भी ये बॉक्स टच नहीं करना है. ओके अब हमें कोई ऐसा बोलता है कि आपको ये टच नहीं करना है, आपको इसके अंदर देखना नहीं है, ठीक है, ताला भी हम लगा देते हैं, बार बार उसको देखते रहते हैं, उसकी केयर करते. ऐसा कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स का बिहेवियर अगर क्लास में होगा तो हमारे मन में बहुत सारे थॉट्स क्रिएट होते हैं, इसमें क्या है ना, ऐसा क्या है ना, हाँ, लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस अराइज्ड इन आवर माइंड. और कोई हमें मना करता है कि ये नहीं करना है तो वो करने का मन हमारा सबसे पहले होता है. इधर दासू टोल्ड दैट डोंट टच माई बॉक्स विदाउट माई परमिशन. तो सभी फ्रेंड्स क्या सोचते हैं कि नहीं, अब तो हमें देखना ही पड़ेगा कि इसमें क्या है. ओके सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन 2. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन. यस, दासू बिहेव्ड strangely with his box. To begin with, he placed it very carefully under the table. Then he unlocked it with a key, lifted the cover a little and peeped inside, all very secretively. He also warned others not to meddle with the box. So student, these are the two questions just now I have to explain in this video. I hope all of you understood both these questions. You have to write in your fair notebook and same time you have to learn by heart also. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.